Papa, I already get berry. Take some, and eat it. Just all the berry I have. Just all the berry I have today.
Wow. Wow. Tahu nak kutumur ka ni.
I had this berry.
Come, let's see. Come on.
Huh?
Lots of berries here also.
What did I get and miss it?
Pwede tayo kung mulan gani kutumur ka ni.
Yes, Daddy. I give him the meat, but then I need. Papa, wanna play a ball game with the Mickey? Let's go get it. Mary, get on. Let's go over here and down there. Let's go buy some little like a strawberry and just pick it. Go away, strawberry, you're so dirty. And let's go buy some strawberry again. Oh, so many berries there. Be careful, there's a berry. Papa, down there, so good. Down there. I'm scary down
It's so
there.
deep. See?
I'm scared to down there. I'm scared to pound there and bump my head over it.
You will fall down. Come here. Come this
Yes,
side.
I'm scary. This is the place that I read. Let's go fly around, go away, and then again. Come on, let's go. Careful, Daddy. There's so many flowers. There's one yet and the flower. There's another berry.
Chalo, let's go.
Hello.
Let's go back.
Here it looks so nice.
Oh.
Papa. Papa, this berry's so nice. I can't.
No.
Don't get so very nice now.
No.